What an amazing getaway. The lake I explored turned out to be a perfect, soothing getaway from the madness we're all going through right now. It's located east of Beaumont, just before hitting the Texas-Louisiana border. To get there, I had to hike through some very overgrown trails, but that just added to the experience. There was nature, wildlife, and very few people, if any. Perfect for social distancing. I was really amazed at how little known this place is, and I hope that other hikers are able to keep enjoying it well into the future. If you go, just keep in mind that the lake is infested with alligators. Enjoy. Hi, this is Mauricio from Explore RC. If you liked my content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, Explore RC. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.